Hello there, welcome to How to Messing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock a 5-digit PIN Android password. So this video is coming as a request from two of my viewers that commented in the comment section in some of my videos that I should make a video on how to unlock a 5-digit PIN password. So the solution I had like a year ago, or sorry, 2 years ago, I tried it in some phone and it was not working, so I had to come up with a new solution. So finally, I've gotten a solution on how to unlock a 5-digit PIN password, and it works in almost all the phone. It works on Samsung, Huawei, HTC, Oppo, OnePlus, Redmi, Realme, Techno, and so many phones. So try this method out. Surely it's going to unlock your 5-digit PIN password. So let's get started, guys. Before I start, kindly like the video, subscribe to your channel in case this is your first time watching my video, or in case you've watched my video and you've not subscribed. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing you are going to do for me is to put in this password 02025, incorrect password. So after that, what you're going to do is to off your phone, not restart, off. So you're just going to off your phone, power it off, please, not restart. There's a difference between restart and power off. So make sure that you have that vibration that comes from most Android phone once the phone is power off. But in case your phone doesn't vibrate, I will advise you wait at least 15 to 20 seconds to be sure that your phone is completely turned off. So once your phone is completely turned off, and in the process of this talking, you've waited like 5 to 10 seconds, so you need to power it on again so we can start. Now, some of you will say when you power on your phone, it will ask you for your phone password or PIN. Now, don't worry, I understand that. Just follow the steps, follow the process, and you are going to unlock your phone that has a 5-digit PIN password at the end of this video. So make sure you don't skip any step, because if you skip a step, it's likely not going to work for you. So just follow everything, every process, every step provided in this video. So while our phone is powered on, let's wait for our phone to power on. So guys, our phone is now on. As you can see, password requires when you restart your phone, which is normal for every phone. So what the password you need to put is that same password, or the PIN you need to put is that same PIN, which was 02025, incorrect password. Yeah, that's the message. You're going to get incorrect password. So what do you do next? You go to emergency SOS or emergency dial, depending on what you see on your phone. So make sure in this step, if you watched my video before, I do this in almost all my video. Make sure in this step, because this is a code that's going to unlock, that's going to break your password. So make sure in this step you follow all what I'm doing. So dial star 05217 star 0000 hash. So confirm the code again, star 05217 star 0000 hash. You dial, and it's going to come up with this prompt that the call failed because the number dialed is not an emergency number. Now, it's not an issue. It's not an issue. It's not an issue. So just tap on OK. So once you tap on OK, clear this. Go back to the PIN section. Go back to the PIN section. Now, depending on the kind of phone you are using, some kind of phone, if you put wrong PIN repeatedly over a period of time, it's going to log you out maybe for minutes or seconds. So I will always advise, depending on the kind of phone you're using, you wait for like 20 seconds so it doesn't log you out for a long time. So now put in this code again, 02025, incorrect password. Okay, so let's go back to this step now. And you're still going to dial the code. I'm still going to dial the code with me. So the code you're going to dial this time is star. That pin you put 02025 star. And now dial 0 into 4 places, 000 star again. Please take note. Put star again. 1. Then you dial the hash or pound sign. Excuse me, my voice is blocked. So confirm the code star 02025 star 0000 star 1 hash. Dial the code again. Now it's still going to show this. It's still going to show this prompt. So press OK. So this time around, you're not going to go back to your pin section to input a pin. Rather, what you're going to do is for you to wait for minimum 20 seconds in order for your phone to, in order for the code you dial to work inside your phone. So you're just going to wait minimum 20 seconds. So we put the last code and put the pin to unlock our phone. So guys, while you're waiting for at least 20 seconds, please kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel if you've not done so, because I always want to see you in my next video. I would like to see you in my next video. I don't just drop video about unlocking, I drop video about other how to. So once you wait at least 20 seconds, dial this emergency code again, star 0000 0 into 4 places, star 0224 pound. Confirm the code you dial, star 0000 star 0224. So once you do that, you dial this. So this is our final step before we input our code. Dial this. So once you do this, you please wait minimum, this particular one is very important, minimum 15 seconds before you put the pin I'm about to give to you to unlock the phone. Wait minimum 15 seconds, because if you don't wait minimum 15 seconds, it's not going to work. So once you're sure you waited minimum 15 seconds, go back to this area, and you're going to put in this code, and this code you put is the code we've been using, 02025. So as you can see, our phone is now unlocked. So we have our information, our data intact. We did not lose any data. So guys, that's how to unlock an Android phone with 5-digit PIN password. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.